about our topic number 82, pointers program number 2 in C language. So let's move forward. Pointers in C language. So in the previous lecture, we have talked about the program number 1, that how to declare and how to assign a pointer and its value. So this is very interesting topic in C language, and in this lecture we will learn about the program number 2, which is also very important, that how we will use the concept of the pointers. So let's look at. So pointer, as we have studied, that pointer is used to hold the memory address of other variables, okay, and we have studied that other variables can also be a pointer variable, and pointer is also an indirect way to set or get the value in the variable. It is a fact, because we have studied that pointer holds the memory address of the other variable. It means a pointer is a variable which actually holds the address, or we can say memory address of other variable, okay. So this is that point or the concept which determines us to use the concept in the programming language, use the concept in our program. So we will use this concept in our program, which is the second program of pointer. So let's look at pointers program 2 in C language. So what we need to conclude from here is that I have to write a program in C to accept two numbers. Okay, I have to accept two numbers from the user, calculate and display the sum and average value using pointer in C language. Okay, we have to accept two numbers from the user. We have to calculate and display the sum and average value using the pointer concept. Okay, so let's do it. So here is that program which is actually finding the sum and average value given by the user using the pointer concept. Okay, so let's look at. So first we need to define the, we can say, declare the header file here. So hashtag include studio.h and hashtag include conio.h we have written here. These are the two header files. It stands for standard input output header file, and it stands for control input output header file. Okay. After this, I am using the main function, which is actually returning a void, which means empty. After then, I am opening this main function, and in that I am declaring so many of variables and a pointer also. Here A is a variable, B is a variable, sum is a variable, ABZ is a variable, asterisk PA is actually a pointer, asterisk PB is actually. So this is the variable A, B, sum, ABZ, asterisk PA. So this is a pointer, asterisk PA, asterisk PB, asterisk P sum and asterisk PABZ. Actually, I am just giving the similar name you are seeing here, because you will see this pointer that you will find similarity between these things. I am giving a variable, so I am giving a pointer PA for that. So pointer A for that variable. So you can assign any kinds of value in it. You can use any different name also, but for the understanding concept, so that we cannot misconfuse with the fact that this pointer is actually containing the address of variable A. This pointer is actually containing the address of variable B. So actually this determines us that we can use the concept of pointer for solving the problem. That is our work, to find the sum and the average of a two number given by the user. Okay. So first of all, I have declared the pointer and the variable of float data type. After declaration, I need to assign the value. Here you can see I am assigning the value of A into pointer PA. In similar way, I am assigning all the value, that is, here you can see I am assigning the average in the pointer ABZ, I am assigning the sum in the pointer P sum, I am assigning the variable B in the pointer PB, I am assigning a value, we can say a variable A in a pointer PA. So this is our assignment process, or we can say assigning process. After then, I am using the CLR scare function, which help you to clear the screen. Okay, Then after that I am using the printf function so that the user can understand that they have to enter the two numbers. So when the user gives the two number, I am storing that two number in PA and PB. So PA is a pointer and PB is a pointer. Here you can see that PA is ampersand A and PB is ampersand B. So it is looking same as what we have studied in the scanf function, ampersand A, ampersand B, which holds the address of a particular variable, which holds the address of a particular variable. So whatever the address it contains, it is going to transfer here with this format specified, and whatever the value contained here in this pointer, it is going to replace with this format specified. Okay. Then after the scanf, after getting the two variables, after getting the numbers, I will use that number for finding the sum and average through pointer. So let's look. Here you are seeing that I am using our asterisk p sum. We have created asterisk p sum pointer and p average pointer, which is of a type float data type. Here you can see. So for summation, I am actually, we can say, adding two variables. That is the pointer A and pointer B. Adding the two pointer here. So asterisk PA is actually containing the value here, because we are using the double time. Here you can say we have uses the first time. Here you will see asterisk PA, and when we use the next time asterisk PA, it means value of that particular variable. So value of A and value of B is going to be here. So we can say the value that is given by the user. Suppose the user has given a value 5 here, and in B it gives us 10. So 10 plus 5 is going to be 15, and that is going to be stored here in the p sum, and I am actually printing that p sum through the pointer. Okay. And because we know that average is the total sum divided by total number, so our total number is 2. Therefore, we need to divide it with 2. Therefore, we get the average, our average. Therefore, I am printing the sum of our two number is float value, because percentage f. Therefore, whatever the value here in this pointer is going to be replaced with these things, because this is actually the value, because we are just using the asterisk double time, because we have used the asterisk here first time and we are using the asterisk second time here. Therefore, whatever the value of p sum is going to be transferred here, and whatever the value of p average is going to be transferred here. Then the final output came into the C programming after the completion of this program, after the compilation of this program. That is like this: enter two number 25 and 30 user has given us, and sum of two number is going to be 55.000 something, and average of two number is going to be 27.500 something. So actually this contains a float value, because we have used the float value here. So this was the concept that deal with the concept of the pointers, that how to find and the sum, how to find the sum and average when the user has given you two number, and we have used it in C language in a simple programming. But with the concept of the pointer, we have used it now. So this was, we can say, most interesting point about the pointers, that pointer hold the memory address of a variable, and when we are using the pointer first time, asterisk first time, it means it holds the memory address of a particular variable, and when we use it next time, we can say second times, it means it defines the value of that variable. So this was all about the pointers program number 2 in C language. So thanks for watching. Dhanyavad.